everyone, my name is Hannah, and in this video I'll show you how to make a slip knot. So let's get started. To make a slip knot, hold the yarn like this. Place it over your index finger and use your thumb and middle finger to hold the short end. Place the hook on top of the front side of the yarn. Then move it downward, twist, and hold the cross with your thumb and middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. And here's our slip knot. Let's repeat. Go under the yarn, twist the hook, yarn over, and pull it through. Our slip knot is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to see more useful videos from me, and bye!